Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi tofu soup using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of well-fermented kimchi, 1 block of soft or silken tofu, and 1 cup of vegetable broth. Don't forget your aromatics, 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/2 a medium onion, thinly sliced. Also, have 1 tablespoon of gochujang or Korean chili paste, ready to add that authentic kick. Now, let's build the base of our delicious soup. Heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sliced onion, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Next, add your prepared kimchi to the pot. Cook the kimchi for approximately 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing its flavors to deepen and develop beautifully. It's time to bring everything together. Pour in 1 cup of vegetable broth and stir in 1 tablespoon of gochujang, ensuring it dissolves completely. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Carefully add your soft tofu, breaking it into large, rustic pieces directly into the pot. Let the soup simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the tofu to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Almost there. Before serving, give your soup a taste. Adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt or a tiny bit of sugar if you prefer a slightly sweeter profile. For a beautiful finish, garnish your steaming hot soup with freshly sliced green onions and a final drizzle of sesame oil. Serve your easy kimchi tofu soup immediately with a bowl of warm rice for a comforting and satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.